Welcome to my channel Reviews First, where inspiration meets innovation. Whether you're here to learn, explore, or connect, you're in the right place. Are you looking for the top 5 best household stand mixers 2026? Here are my full reviews of the top 5 best household stand mixers. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. The KitchenAid Artisan Series 5-quart tilt-head stand mixer is a versatile and stylish kitchen appliance designed for home bakers and cooking enthusiasts. Powered by a durable motor and featuring 10 speed settings, it effortlessly handles everything from whipping cream to kneading heavy bread dough. Its generous 5-quart stainless steel bowl can mix enough dough for up to 9 dozen cookies in a single batch, making it ideal for family gatherings and special occasions. The tilt-head design provides easy access to the bowl, allowing you to add ingredients conveniently while mixing. Built with all-metal construction, this stand mixer offers exceptional durability and long-lasting performance. It is also compatible with more than 15 optional attachments, transforming it into a multifunctional kitchen center for making pasta, grinding meat, or preparing fresh juice. Combining powerful performance, elegant design, and impressive versatility, the KitchenAid Artisan Series stand mixer is a valuable addition to any modern kitchen. Number 2. A kitchen stand mixer is an essential appliance for anyone who enjoys baking and cooking. Designed to handle a variety of mixing tasks, it features a powerful motor and multiple speed settings to prepare dough, batter, whipped cream, and more with ease. Most stand mixers come with interchangeable attachments, such as a dough hook, flat beater, and wire whisk, making them versatile tools for everyday kitchen use. Their hands-free operation saves time and reduces effort, allowing users to multitask while ingredients are being mixed. Many models also support additional accessories like pasta makers, meat grinders, and food processors, expanding their functionality beyond baking. With sturdy construction and large mixing bowls, stand mixers are ideal for preparing both small and large batches of food. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced home chef, a quality kitchen stand mixer can simplify meal preparation and help you achieve consistent, professional-looking results every time. Number 3. The CUSIMAX stand mixer is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to make baking and food preparation easier and more enjoyable. Equipped with a powerful motor and multiple speed settings, this stand mixer can handle everything from whipping cream and mixing cake batter to kneading bread dough. Its large stainless steel mixing bowl provides ample capacity for preparing family-sized recipes, while the tilt-head design allows convenient access to ingredients and attachments. The mixer comes with essential accessories, including a dough hook, flat beater, and whisk, giving users the flexibility to tackle a variety of cooking tasks. Its anti-slip suction cups ensure stability during operation, reducing movement and vibration. Featuring a sleek and modern design, the CUSIMAX stand mixer complements any kitchen decor while delivering reliable performance. Whether you're an experienced baker or a beginner, this mixer offers the perfect combination of power, convenience, and durability, making it an excellent addition to any home kitchen. Number 4. The CEBORY stand mixer is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to make baking and food preparation easier and more enjoyable. Equipped with a powerful motor and multiple speed settings, this stand mixer effortlessly handles a variety of tasks, including mixing cake batter, kneading bread dough, whipping cream, and preparing cookie dough. Its spacious stainless steel mixing bowl provides ample capacity for family-sized recipes and large batches. The mixer comes with essential attachments, including a dough hook, wire whisk, and flat beater, allowing you to tackle different recipes with professional results. The tilt-head design offers convenient access to the bowl and attachments, making ingredient additions and cleaning simple. Anti-slip suction feet keep the mixer stable during operation, even at higher speeds. With its sleek and modern design, the CEBORY stand mixer complements any kitchen decor while delivering reliable performance. It is an excellent choice for home bakers and cooking enthusiasts seeking efficiency, convenience, and consistent mixing results. Number 5. The Cuisinart stand mixer is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to simplify baking and cooking tasks. Equipped with a powerful motor and multiple speed settings, it easily handles everything from whipping cream and mixing cake batter to kneading bread dough. Its large stainless steel mixing bowl provides ample capacity for preparing family-sized recipes, while the tilt-back head design allows convenient access to ingredients and attachments. The mixer comes with essential accessories, including a chef's whisk, flat mixing paddle, and dough hook, making it suitable for a wide range of recipes. Built with sturdy and durable construction, the Cuisinart stand mixer delivers consistent performance and long-lasting reliability. Its sleek, modern design also adds a stylish touch to any kitchen countertop, whether you're an experienced baker or beginner. This stand mixer offers the convenience, power, and versatility needed to create delicious homemade meals and desserts with ease.